This is the new investing trend that you need to know about. It's called AI investing. But before we can talk about how it works, first you need to understand why this trend is taking off. So right now, there are two things that everyone is talking about. The first one is artificial intelligence, which is dominating all the headlines from Chat GPT to robo-advisors. Everyone seems to be using some sort of AI these days. And the second thing that everyone is talking about is making money in the stock market. With AI being everywhere, people have started to wonder if there is an easier way to invest in the stock market by leveraging the power of AI. There are already plenty of AI-powered investment apps out there that use complex algorithms to generate returns. One of the most popular ones is Wealthfront, which uses AI to manage your portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Another great example is Betterment, which also uses AI to help its users make better investment decisions. And here's the thing. Both of these apps have done really well over the past decade. The average return for the S&P 500 is around 10% per year. But Wealthfront has generated an average return of 16% per year since 2015. And Betterment has generated an average return of 14% per year since its launch in 2008. So how exactly are these apps generating such high returns? Well, it's pretty simple, really. They're just using AI to automate the investing process and eliminate the need for human investors. Now you may be thinking, what does this mean for me? Well, it means that you can potentially get higher returns with less effort. AI-powered investment apps like Wealthfront and Betterment have already proven that they can generate higher returns than the average investor. And this trend is only going to grow in popularity in the coming years. Here are a few reasons why. First of all, AI is becoming more and more sophisticated every day. This means that AI-powered investment apps will become even better at generating returns. Secondly, the cost of AI is also decreasing every day. This means that these apps will become more and more affordable for the average investor. And finally, the demand for AI-powered investment apps is growing. More and more people are looking for an easy way to invest in the stock market, and AI is providing just that. But it doesn't stop there. There are other trends that are also contributing to the rise of AI investing. For example, the trend towards passive investing is another factor that is driving the popularity of AI-powered investment apps. Passive investing is a style of investing that involves buying and holding a diversified portfolio of assets over the long term. And AI is perfect for passive investing because it can automate the process of buying and selling assets. In addition to that, the trend towards financial literacy is also playing a role in the rise of AI investing. More and more people are becoming interested in learning about investing and trading, and AI is providing them with the tools they need to succeed. For example, AI-powered investment apps often provide educational resources to help their users learn about investing. Overall, the combination of these trends is creating the perfect environment for AI investing to take off. And if you want to be a part of this trend, then you need to start learning about AI investing today. Start by educating yourself on the basics of AI investing and how it works. Then start experimenting with different AI-powered investment apps to see which one works best for you. Finally, don't forget to track your progress and make adjustments along the way. In fact, if you follow this advice, you could be one of the lucky few who gets in on the ground floor of this new trend, and you might just be able to make a fortune. So if you're ready to learn more about AI investing, then please smash the like button because it lets us know that you want us to keep making more videos like this one. Also, don't forget to subscribe because that way you'll be notified as soon as we release any new videos. And finally, don't forget to connect with us on social media because that is where we share our latest content and give you a behind-the-scenes look at our company culture. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.